I knew it was coming. Her teeth are sunk into my hand. Oh, she's not letting go. She still thinks I'm food. Oh, my hand's going blue. My hand's going blue.
I'm not faced, only you to sin. If you rain in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want.
Oh shit, bro.
Die, bitch! Die, bitch! Die. Why are you not dying, bitch?
Hey! Yeah!
In Florida, we need to be really careful about our surroundings because the water looks like nothing. And then out of nowhere, yeah, a gator can just jump out at you.
That's so messy. So big. So big, he's going straight under the boat.
What's wrong with that?
Yeah, he's all that.
Yes, you see, they put the babies in the middle to protect them. And then everyone stands out so that the babies are always safe.
She's really aggressive. She's been trying to bite me. Ooh. Oh. Ah, bit me in the butt. You thought I was kidding. She's not a very nice snake.